Hi guys, today we're looking at two brand new cars from the North Bank line. These are Vinegar cars produced by Boo Rim for North Bank line. I have two versions here. This is the early version and the late version. I don't have the middle version as it appeared in the late 40s. This is late, I believe one of these is late 50s, the other is early 40s. Let's go ahead and open these up. Wonderful box. Nice foam on these, and here's one of them. This is the SBIX 1575. Go ahead and it's coming out slowly. There we go. Put the box off to the side. Now these are very unique cars. They've never been done in brass. They've been offered in kit form over the years, but I don't think anything quite like this. There we go. Vinegar car 1575. This is really something. So you can see all the bands that are placed around the tank. This is a wood tank. Really quite cool. You got a hatch up here. Katy scale couplers. These trucks are actually Tahoe Model Works trucks, which are plastic, but they work and are detailed just as nice as anything in brass. And they're really nice. Nice brake equipment down here. Really quite nice. I really like the bracing on these cars. Okay, let's put that one down. Let's go ahead. This is the other version. This is number 1503. There we go, one more. FTCX. Okay, this is FTCX 1503. And very similar car. I mean, there's not going to be many differences between this one and that one. It's really just a lettering thing from my understanding. I don't think any of the brake equipment was reconfigured either. Yeah, no, these are the same. This one has weigh dates of 1944. This has a weigh date of 1960. And these cars could have been used any time between, quite literally, the late 30s into the 70s. I've seen a few photos of these cars pretty late. So these are really fantastic cars. We only have these two in stock right now. We don't expect to get any more. Check them out now and get them before they're gone.